Shamai, a quick unboxing and first look at something that has arrived today. I've known about this for a good few months. I was sort of involved a little bit in it as well. There's a little bit of trepidation. There seems to be a bit of damage to the box. So I'm going to unbox it and I'm just keeping everything crossed. Okay, it's from Flight. Okay. And there is damage. All right. That is actually right the way through by there. So I'm just looking at the damage at the minute. The delivery driver pointed it out. So yeah, there's definitely damage on the top. Whether something has fallen on it or not, I don't know. Hopefully everything inside is okay. Right, let's have a look. Right, the moment of truth. Let's see what's in here. Okay. There's a lot of bubble wrap, so we're keeping everything crossed at this point. And I say a lot of bubble wrap. I really do mean it. The base actually comes in a gig bag as well. I've got a cable. Right, let's get rid of this for a minute. Already I am a bit happier because there doesn't seem to be any visible damage inside. But you just don't know, do you? Let's have a look. I'm not even going to tell you what it is yet. Some of you, I'm sure, will know, especially if you're on Facebook. Okay. Oh, I so hope it's all right. Why am I doing this to myself? Still hope it's all right. Again, nothing visible. Oh, right. There we go. I'm having a look first, I'm afraid. Oh, right. That doesn't look like there is any damage. I can be happy. Okay, right. Okay. Right, I can have a proper look with a smile first. Honestly, right. Let's give you the story very, very quickly. Yes, I like purple. I think most people who follow my channel know that. Yes, I love mini basses. And I always bang on about there's not enough purple in the world. And in fairness, Juliana from Flight, Mrs. Flight, okay, she contacted me towards the beginning of the year, a good few months ago, and said, can you send me some ideas of purple bases that you like? Me being me, went completely over the top, put together a whole well, I already had a Pinterest board, to be honest, but I sorted my Pinterest board out and sent it off to her. Then I saw her in the summer in Cheltenham, and she came whizzing up to me and showed me a photograph, okay, of the prototype of these. And look at that. It is the Flight Mini JB in this lush metallic purple. It's got a pearloid pick guard scratch plate. I am overly excited now. And it's just absolutely stunning. Honestly, I was so, when the delivery, he's a lovely delivery driver. He went, look, he said, there's damage here. I've marked this down as damage. If there's any problems with it, you just email us. Not an issue at all. It's marketer. So I've just been like, since it arrived, which was a couple of hours ago. If you watch my vlogs, you'll know when this actually arrived. Okay, but yeah. So thank you, Flight, for making us all, but me, a purple Flight Mini JB. And it's got flat wounds on it because I got it from Southern Ukulele Store and they are just gorgeous human beings. They had some in stock and they have fitted them for me. So in a second, I am going to go and plug this in. I need to put a strap onto it as well.
What's going on in here?
I haven't plugged it in yet. Seriously.
What's going on in here? Come on, that's for Christmas. Come on.
No.
No, I need to check it out. I need to check it out. No.
Right, if this go away, Richard, you can have it. Right, this is a Christmas present to me. But I have to plug it in to check
no!
But the main thing is, look at it. It's not damaged.
You may look at it on Christmas Day. You may look at it on Christmas Day.
I've got to at least check that it's all right. I can plug it in, seriously.
Why? It's Christmas.
Not for the vlog a minute. I'll give you a shout that you can take it off me once I got the case off. Honestly, I thought he was actually going to take it off me then. But look, it's not damaged. Look at it. Look at it.
That's not how I've been looking at you.
Right, I'm going to quickly plug it in, try it, make sure it works, and then you can have it, okay? I can't even remember where I was now. So yeah. I've known this has been coming for quite a while. Alex has put flat wound strings on it. I brought a strap down ready just to try it out. And yeah, it's a Christmas present and I'm not allowed to have it today. And he's being serious. He really is. So I'm going to plug it in. Just make sure it all works beautifully. I'm sure it does. And then hand it over to Richard. Get it! Right, okay, back to business. So, yeah, it's the JB model with the roasted maple. I'm overly excited. I'm just going to plug it in. Simple. Right, here we go. So, I found out about this yesterday. No, not yesterday, Wednesday. See, it should have arrived yesterday, which made me even a little bit more when I could see it was damaged. But it's not damaged, just the box was damaged. I discovered this because Southern Ukulele Store gave me a shout out on Facebook. I can't remember exactly. It's like somewhere Rachel Webley is whispering, "Take my money." All right. But yes. Shut up and plug it in, man. Also, if you haven't seen it, go and check out my new amp video. This one actually isn't in it, so this is your chance to hear it now. Oh, right. Okay. I got to unplug and everything now and then put it away and not have it till Christmas. I was there thinking I could take it to a rehearsal tomorrow. I'd forgotten. So, I am a happy bunny. Very happy bunny. Thank you, Flight, for listening and making me and the rest of the world this gorgeous purple version of the Flight Mini JB. It is a limited edition, I think. I'm just saying. I've got to say that strap does match rather well. Yeah, I'm going to have to go and give it to hubby in a minute. Thank you, Southern Ukulele. Sorry to scare you. I genuinely, when I saw the damage to the box, I was scared myself. But look, it's lush. It's perfect. I cannot see any issues at all with it. I better go and pack it up now, hadn't I? This is Felix. Felix likes to be on YouTube. Okay, right, yeah, Richard has taken away my new bass, but it is proper lush. And I am very, very happy because just for a little while I thought there may have been a bit of damage, but it's not. It's absolutely fine. So, yeah, thank you, Flight, for making such a gorgeous purple bass. Thank you, Southern Uke, for setting it up and putting new strings and everything else on it. And I am going to leave it there for now. I do hope you've enjoyed that. I know we can't have it till Christmas now, can we? Never mind. So, as always, if you have enjoyed it, please feel free, leave a comment below, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.